Now, cloud computing was introduced and it eliminated all the capital expenditure. We don't have to pay rent for the data centers, power supply, cooling, maintenance. We do not have to worry about disasters or scaling. Cloud computing is the on demand delivery of compute powered database storage, applications, and other IT resources through a cloud service platform with pay as you go pricing model. Cloud maintains and owns all the capital expenditure hardware required for a company, while you only need to provision the operational expenditure via cloud's web application. Let's see why is cloud computing efficient. Cloud provides on demand service, measured service. This means that we don't have to guess the capacity of our servers. AWS or cloud provides us with high flexibility. Pay on demand. We can pay whenever we want a service. We can pay on demand. Cloud provides us with high scalability. We will discuss about scalability in the later section, and also with high availability. We can go global on cloud within minutes. Capital expenditure is not present as already discussed, but along with this, operational expenditure will also be reduced. Cloud has high durability. That means it protects the data from disaster recovery and it also has high elasticity. You might have already used some cloud applications before: Gmail, Facebook, and Netflix. Netflix is made on AWS.